Hello, today we will guide you through how to properly leave a workspace on Slack. To begin, open Slack and make sure you are inside the workspace you want to remove or leave. It helps to double check that you are in the correct workspace before continuing, because the process you are about to follow leads to a permanent action. Once you're in Slack, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on your profile account. This opens the menu where your personal options and workspace-related settings can be accessed. From that menu, click on Profile. After your profile panel appears, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes shown as More Options. Click on those three dots to reveal additional actions connected to your account and workspace settings. In the menu that appears, select Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings page, usually in a browser window. This is where you can manage more advanced settings that are not shown directly in the main Slack app. When the account settings page loads, scroll down carefully until you find the option related to deleting the workspace. Take your time here and read the labels closely, since this area may contain several administrative options. You're looking specifically for the Delete Workspace section. Once you find it, click on Delete the Workspace. This will take you to the next confirmation page, where Slack gives you another chance to review the action before moving forward. On that page, click Delete Workspace. After that, Slack will ask you to enter your password to confirm that you have permission to complete this action. Type your password into the field provided. As a general tip, make sure no one else can view your screen while you enter sensitive login information. When your password has been entered, the final confirmation button will appear. Click Yes, Delete My Workspace to complete the process. Before doing this, it's important to understand that deleting a workspace is a serious and typically irreversible step. If your goal is simply to stop receiving notifications or to leave a channel, you may want to review your options first. But if you are certain, following these steps will properly complete the workspace removal process from your Slack settings. That's it. You have now gone through the process of properly leaving a workspace on Slack by accessing your profile, opening account settings, locating the workspace deletion option, confirming the action, and entering your password to finalize the change.